Hello, it's your boy again, Evans, with another brand new video on Canon 4000D camera. Get your 4000D camera. Let's begin. When you go to movie mode, click on the menu, then you'll see the movie exposure. To shoot your video in manual, to get the options of changing how your footage looks, whether brighter or darker, just go to movie exposure, click on set, then if it was at auto, select to manual, put it to manual, then you'll be able to change the shutter speed, the aperture, and the ISO. This is how you adjust your settings of shutter speed, aperture, and the ISO. To change the ISO, just click on the Q, this button here. Then you'll see the ISO down here. The ISO right now is 100. You can change it by scrolling. Just right at the top here, there is a scroll. When you scroll, you'll see the ISO. It is getting brighter and brighter. I go, see? But doing the aperture, just hold the AV button together with the scroll button on top of your camera. Hold the AV, then you scroll. You see down there the aperture is changing. I'm using the 50mm 1.8, so the aperture right now is at 1.8. When I go higher, you see the image is getting darker and darker. So that is how you change the aperture of your footage. When changing the shutter speed, just at this button here, just scroll the button without holding any other key. You see, that is, we are going at a higher shutter speed at 800, 1000. As you can see right here, we are now at 1250. But when you go lower, the footage is getting clearer and clearer. So to shoot in manual, you have to capture all that. Now, let's say I want to take a footage of my kit lens. I'll just hold the AV key to change the aperture. I'll use an aperture of 1.8. Then I'll use a shutter speed of 125. Then I'll change again the ISO to 400. Then as you can see, my footage is looking. To get more videos just like this one that you've just watched, check out my playlist right here on 4000D DSLR cameras and check my latest upload right here.